How much do you think it would cost you to have the same computer operating system that Google uses to run the majority of its servers? What about the price of the email system used by the city of Washington, D.C.? Would you believe me if I said that you could have the same software for free? It does sound hard to believe, but it's true. You see, KTG uses what's called open source software and software as a service. This allows us to provide large business technology, like what's seen at Google, the city of Washington, D.C., and hundreds of other large businesses, and provide it to you at a price that your small business can afford. Open source software is software that can be freely distributed and edited. Think of open source software as a community project where people around the world contribute the programming code to make this software work. Now this has several advantages which you can read more about by scrolling down on this page and getting into some of the specifics. Recently, open source software has seen a much greater acceptance in the large business realm. This is because large businesses can save tens of thousands of dollars by using open source software. Open source software is also very secure and reliable. In fact, the world's 1 million most busy websites run on Apache, which is an open source web server. The next closest competitor is Microsoft, which has roughly half the market share of Apache. Software as a service is software that you use or rent when you need it. Think of an online email program like Gmail. If I want to check my email, I log on to a web address, go to my inbox, and then check my email there. I didn't download any software. I didn't pay for any software. All I did is went to a website and checked my email through that website. This is a common example of software as a service. Something more complex might be something like Google Documents, where I log onto a website and now I have access to a word processing program, a spreadsheet program, and several other pieces of software that I use all online. Now I didn't pay for the software, I didn't download it. Again, it's all through that web browser and it's all free. There is an open source or software as a service option for just about any major type of business software, from customer relationship management to a website engine to an email program. You can find an alternative to traditional software that could save your business hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. I always like to ask people if there was ever some particular type of software or capability they wish they had in their business but couldn't afford because of that software's price tag. The chance is that there's an open source or software as a service alternative with the same capabilities for much cheaper. If you are one of those people that wish you had some particular capability in your business, let me encourage you to contact KTG and meet with them. This way they can start working for you to find that software, give you that capability, and help your business to succeed.